Large language models have received a lot of media attention these days because of their extensive use in tools like ChatGPT and Google's BERT. But did you know that such off-the-shelf models could also lead to some bias in AI systems? For example, it has been studied and found out that female names are often closely associated or has close interrelation with family words, while male names has close association with career words. In the EU-funded Horizon Europe Bias Project, we are investigating how to address and mitigate algorithmic bias for artificial intelligence used in the recruitment industry. I am Sumya, CEO of DigiTouch. My company is one of the partners of the Bias Project. And today, in this beautiful day in Tallinn, we are hosting a co-creation workshop with the local stakeholders of Estonia, working towards that goal of the Bias Project. Here is what some of the participants, some of the local stakeholders of Estonia had to say about the co-creation workshop that we did today.
Hello, my name is Leonard. Today I participated in a co-creation workshop, and we were actually touching the topics of different biases that might occur in a job application. And by doing so, I actually learned quite a new things that I might, maybe even some tricks that I might implement in my job applications.
My name is Leonard. I am an attorney specialized in IT law, and the whole workshop was very insightful. We got into very interesting discussions with people from the HR side, the legal side, the technical side. I was really happy to contribute.
Hi, my name is Ivana Todorovic, and I was today a facilitator of a co-creation workshop organized by DigiTouch as part of the Bias Project. We had a very fruitful discussion, first of all, open discussion, and then the workshop where we discussed all potential biases that can happen in recruitment process. With the end goal, identify birds and biases we will implement in our AI model and use it as a tool to identify biases and help recruiters and HRs make better business decisions.